Well, hello and welcome back to Michelle's Kitchen. Today I'm going to be making sweet kale with my twist. 1 green apple, red onion, white onion, cheddar cheese, olive, and cucumber, tomato. Now let's get cracking. I have already opened the kale bag and examined the kale to make sure that it's fresh and ready to eat. So I'll pour inside. Because it's not cheap. Anyhow, you're going to be needing nice and fresh. Okay, so it comes with these 2 bags inside, the sauce and whatever dressing. So it comes basically prepared. I'll just stir it around to make sure it's evened out, and I'll start cutting. This, they're ready to go, and I'm going to be mincing my feta cheese to small pieces. Just go ahead and throw this in. Now I'm ready to stir. To the sauce. Nice and creamy. Ooh la la. Get all of it in. Okay. I'm going to be stirring it around. For my plate, I'm going to be preparing 1 cucumber, and half of tomato. I find out when you prepare the tomato and put it inside the salad with the cucumber, the lifetime of the salad is shorter because the tomato is soft and soggy, and the cucumber is also soft and soggy, so it doesn't serve over 3 days. And furthermore, my kids don't really like tomato and cucumber. For me also, I'm going to be putting some olive inside. Okay, for flavors. And there you have it. This is tasting time. Amazing. The flavors are popping. You should try this sometime.